Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change your default shipping address on eBay. So open eBay application on your device and then enter my eBay section that is located at the bottom side of your screen. So here scroll down until you see settings. And here in the account section, you should see shipping address. So tap on it, and here you see primary shipping address. So open it and apply any changes. So this is your full name, your street, city, your postal code, and phone. And also you can make this address primary, so basically default. And when you are done, when you applied any changes, you need to save them by pressing done button. So that's how you can change your default shipping address on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.